Your fear of looking stupid is literally holding you back. So we've all heard this saying, and today I'm going to be talking about confidence. How you are allowing your lack of confidence to keep you from pursuing your goals and actually becoming the woman of your dreams and becoming the person of your dreams. So if you're someone who lacks confidence and you're so afraid of what people think about you, then this video is definitely for you. So let's just get into it. So how to be more confident in yourself? The first thing is to realize that nobody cares. Like literally nobody cares about you that deeply to the point that it should affect your decisions and how you live your life. Think about this for a second. Do you actually think about a person that you saw embarrass themselves 5 years ago? Do you still think about them to this day? No, you probably don't. If you see someone start their own business, do you feel like, oh wow, that person is being stupid for starting their own business? Chances are no, unless you're like a really evil person, but chances are you don't think that. And also, if someone is starting their own YouTube channel, do you think, oh wow, they're doing something really weird, or why are they doing that? Or do you just feel inspired by them? Or do you just feel like, wow, that person has confidence, that's really cool? Chances are that's how you feel, right? So everyone else also feels the exact same way. Nobody cares about what you're doing in your life. Everybody has their own lives that they have to deal with, their own problems, their own struggles. So you need to keep telling yourself that nobody cares. Whether you're filming a video outside in front of people at the mall or whatever, chances are people will see you and then they just be like, oh, okay, that's different. But they'll then just carry on with their lives. They're not going to worry about, oh, that lady was filming or that boy was filming or whatever. They're really not going to care. So you need to realize that people don't actually care about you as much as you think they do. I'm sorry, but they just don't. So you need to realize that, and that will give you a boost of confidence because you'll be able to just do what you need to do for your life, whether it's post videos on TikTok, whether it's post videos on YouTube, whether it's start your own business, whatever it is, you'll be able to do it because you'll know that people are not worried about you. People are not, they're not out here to like, you know, worry about you. They have their own lives. They're thinking about their own things, their own stresses. So you also need to realize that. And once you realize that, you're literally going to be more confident. The second thing when it comes to building your confidence is you have to be comfortable with failing. You need to get yourself comfortable with being able to fail. Once you do that, you really will not care what people think about you. If you fail at something or if you start something and you fail, you're not going to worry about that. You're just going to go for it. And then if you fail, you're just going to start again or try something new. That's just how you're going to live your life because you are not afraid to fail. Think about when a child is walking or learning how to walk. When they fall 5 times, they don't get embarrassed and think, okay, I'm not going to learn how to walk because I can't do it and I failed 5 times. No, they get up and they do it because they have a lack of fear. They're not worried about what other people think. All they're worried about is, I need to learn how to walk. I want to learn how to walk, and that's what I'm going to do. So you need to also be in that mindset of literally being so chilled and unfazed by failing that you are able to pursue what you need to pursue in your life. So be comfortable with failing. Just do stuff and fail at it. Be happy that you failed, because if you fail, you have an extra bit of knowledge that now you know that, okay, I'm not going to repeat that mistake. I'm going to do it a different way this time so that you can get more confident. So be comfortable with failing. The third tip when it comes to being more confident is put yourself in uncomfortable positions. So put yourself in the positions that make you feel less confident. And what I mean by this, if you're someone who is afraid to record videos for YouTube or record videos for TikTok, start recording videos for TikTok, start recording videos for YouTube. And why you should do this is because it's going to build your confidence by actually doing it. If you don't do it and you're constantly talking yourself out of it, then you'll never pursue it and you'll never actually do it because you're so afraid of what people will think. Maybe chances are you will post videos on TikTok and people are going to love you. People are going to start following you because they are in love with what you're saying, or they're in love with your personality, or whatever it is. There's always people out there who resonate with your content. So just post. If you need to post, put yourself in front of the camera and film. Just film as many videos as you want. Even if you don't post them, just film them so that you can just get out of that thing of feeling nervous or lacking confidence in what you're trying to do. Just do it. If you're lacking confidence in wanting to start a business, for example, then you need to start a business. Start the business. Fail at the business. then you'll know, okay, that was not for me, but I tried. And then you'll be able to pursue another business or pursue the same business with lessons that you've learned from your failure. So put yourself in uncomfortable positions that will make you grow. Because if you're always in your comfort zone, you will never grow. You'll always be in your comfort zone and you'll always just be scared, and then that will not build your confidence. In order for you to build your confidence, you need to put yourself in uncomfortable positions and put yourself in places that you wouldn't usually be, so that you can build your confidence and you can get stronger in being confident. The last tip to build more confidence is to fake it until you make it. I personally believe in this. When it comes to confidence, confidence doesn't show whether or not it's real or whether or not it's fake. Nobody can tell whether you're really confident or you're faking confidence, because once you show up to people, people just assume or they think you are confident. So you need to fake it till you make it. So basically fake being confident so that you can be confident. An example of this is when I was younger, I used to be nervous with public speaking. I got really good at public speaking when I got to high school because I used to just fake it. I would literally just go up there and just fake being confident. I'd just be like, I'm the one who's gonna kill this oral. I'm the one who's gonna, just handle this. And let me just do it 5 minutes and then I'm done and I get to go sit down. There's no problem. So I would just fake it. And that helped me build my confidence in being able to publicly speak. So I'm able to publicly speak now with no issues. I'm able to film videos if I want to film videos. And I'm not afraid to actually speak in front of people, because I faked my confidence when I needed to fake it so that I could grow into the confidence. Now it's not something that makes me nervous. Someone can tell me I need to do an impromptu speech right now. It's easy for me. It's fine. I can do it because of the fact that I don't think about what everyone else is saying. I don't think about, oh, these people are looking at me, I don't look good, whatever. I don't care, because chances are they don't care about me. So you also need to fake it until you make it, because the more you fake confidence, the more it actually builds your confidence. So that's my tip, and that's something that has worked for me in the past to build my confidence. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you can become more confident and pursue your goals and your dreams and become the better version of yourself.